Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter biometrics and password, and go to lock screen password. Now you can set up 6-digit PIN, 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern and password. Let's set only 4-digit PIN, because basically the 6-digit and the custom PIN are the same, but with different length. So let's set up 4-digit PIN, and now let's use it to unlock the phone. Now let's select password, containing from 4 to 32 characters. Again, let's use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's set up pattern, and now let's use it to unlock the phone. Now when it's done, we can go to fingerprint ID, select unlock device, add fingerprint, and now simply scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located at the bottom of the screen. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. In the end, let's go to face recognition, tap get started, and now simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.